Governor Lujan Grisham signed groundbreaking gun legislation today requiring background checks on private gun sales. But a New Mexico sheriff is already speaking out on why it might be hard to enforce it. Take a look.
It's law.
With Governor Lujan Grisham's signature at the Roundhouse today, private gun sales will soon have to go through a federal firearms licensee to do a federal instant background check. Legislation that continues to draw controversy.
This isn't something that local sheriffs even enforce.
Law enforcement officials say the law would have to be based on a type of honor system. It would require people follow the law in the first place. A criminal caught with a gun would have to tell who he got it from. And police would have to prove the seller failed to do a background check. Eddy County Sheriff Mark Cage says he doesn't believe these checks will make communities safer, adding there's still confusion about how sheriff's departments are supposed to enforce the law when they don't have access to the federal government database of background checks.
And what are we supposed to go look at? And even if we could, how much time and effort do the citizens want us to spend on tracking down and running down a misdemeanor crime?
Sheriff Cage says he'll still enforce the law because it's his duty. At the bill signing today, we asked the governor about the penalties for law enforcement agencies that don't, a question she skirted.
We're all clear that the men and women who take that oath, who dedicate their lives, who swear that oath, will follow the law. This is now the law.
As for holding law enforcement agencies accountable in investigating these gun cases, Bernalillo County District Attorney Raul Torres says he's willing to take them to court. Bernalillo County Sheriff Manny Gonzalez was unable to provide a comment about the passage of this bill because he's out of town. He has publicly spoken out against the legislation, saying people need access to firearms to protect themselves. The new law goes into effect in July.